Hello everybody, and a very big welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK. Today I'm going to be showing you an Echium Pininana and some Valerians. Now the Pininana, as you can see here, it's got quite an early flower on it. It's out the front of my house, and I love these plants. They're so big, so tropical. I believe they're native to the Canary Isles. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, I do love them. This one I grew last year from seed. They do get a lot bigger than that. I do struggle with these because of where I live. We're in a little bit of a frost pocket and I do lose quite a few. And as you can see, they make a great pollinator. Bees love them. Well, most insects love these really. They get covered in bees. And here are my Valerians, quite an early flowering plant, native to this country, well, and other countries I guess. I do love these wildflowers. They're free, they're full of colour, and they come up every year. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share, and I'll see you all again next time. So, from me and my garden, bye for now.